Okay, this is the first part of the alter ego project. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to find an image of a person that you would like to use for your alter ego. It doesn't have to be a person that looks like you. It could be a different race, different age, different gender, all of that. So you're going to, when you're starting to look, you literally just type in the name of the person. It could be a character. Like I'll just use Captain America. So you're going to change the search to images, then where you see tools, you click on that and you have a drop down menu. You see size, large. So every image that you see now is going to be a high resolution. If you look on the bottom left, you see these numbers are all pretty high, over 1,000 at least. So that means that they're going to be a high resolution, meaning they're going to be clear when you zoom into them. So as you're looking for pictures, you want to not only make sure they're high resolution, but also that it's kind of a close-up of their face. If you pick something that's sort of this one, for example, even though it is a high resolution picture, by the time you zoom into this little part of the picture, which is the face, it may not be as clear as you would like. So as you're looking around, you're going to find one that is going to work for you. Let's see. It's okay if they have a mask. Okay, so we'll go with this one. So instead of saving this picture, because you're only going to be saving a picture that's this many pixels by this many pixels on the screen, you want to get it as large as possible on the screen. So you right click, open image in new tab about halfway down. So if you click on the new tab, it should be a very high resolution. If you have a magnifying glass with a plus sign, that means that it's going to allow you to see it even bigger. Right now you can see it. This is the largest that you will see it and fit on the screen. In other words, it's not going to be, the view isn't going to be cut off. Whereas if you click the magnifying glass, it's disregarding that and it's literally just giving you all the data. So this is as clear as pretty much we can get it. You're going to right click, save image as, and you're going to save it in your alter ego folder if you didn't already make one. You hit new folder, put it in your graphic design folder. And I tend to simplify the name. And you hit save. And that's it. So the next video is going to show you how you can put these pictures together. We're also going to be using Photo Booth to take our own pictures.